A present? Well, it's someone's birthday somewhere. What an entrance! Look, it's LABUBU! While you're here, why don't we fix you up? Let's start with a light spritz. Bye-bye, slime. Now let's take care of those pimples. Maybe you should have worn gloves. Time to brush the hair out of your face. Ugh, we really need to clean out those ears. Now sit back and relax while we fix up those teeth of yours. Well, if we can't make it pearly white, we'll just go for gold. After all, even a monster elf needs to look their best. Wow! A LABUBU crane machine! Let's try it out. Steady, steady. You got one! Let's see what you got.
Whoa!
Ooh, yellow! But there's plenty more where that came from.
Wow!
Okay, Wenda, it's your turn. Try to test your luck. You got it! And the color is, drumroll please, orange! It's a LABUBU girl in a LABUBU world. Looks like you got enough to play. Don't worry, just gotta shake it a little.
Yay!
Should we be worried about that box? Ooh, there's something strange going on here. Oh no! Your LABUBU's under lock and key. Looks like we gotta play games to save it. Quick, catch those eggs before they get scrambled. Well, no use crying over spilled eggs, I guess. Still a good haul. Ooh, is this where LABUBUs come from? No, wait, they're all full of slime. Ooh, and little blocks, too. Hey, we can use them to make a new kind of LABUBU. In fact, we can make a whole litter. They've got a surprise for you, a key. Aw, LABUBU love is in the air. No need for he loves me not with this flower.
Oops.
Wow, time goes by so quickly around here. Yeah, I think we're gonna need some help here.
Hey!
Your ride is here, and off you go. Better blast those sirens. Uh-oh, a rock! Not exactly the best time to get a flat tire. Of course, there's never really a good time to get a flat tire. Either way, this place will get you back on the road in a jiffy. When it comes to auto care, this shop's always prepared. That should do it, and just in time, too. Mama LABUBU, the doctor will see you now. Aw, it's twins! They look just like you. Doctors don't do tips, but we'll take that. Next, bring these LABUBUs back together. Here's a hint. Match them by color. And by process of elimination, you're done. That was easy. Too easy. Now the real challenge begins. And what could be more of a challenge than simple addition? But first, it's time to think outside the box. What? We needed to get a pen. Ooh, keeping things on brand. Okay, write your answers. and make sure to show your work. Wait, your tears! They've summoned a calculator! Wow, who knew crying really did solve everything? 2 + 1 = 4? I don't normally question calculators. Let's hope this guy's better with subtraction. Maybe it's some special code or something. Well, if it works, it works. I'm not going to complain. Oh no! The soda war's about to begin! The people have chosen. Time for a half-off sale. Okay, this is just not your day. Remember, when you come into some money, it pays to invest in a little security. You know who's not going to be happy to see this. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! The rules of the game? Roll a die to see what happens next. Blue gets the first hit. You okay, Red? It's your turn next, Red. Put 'em up. Looks like you two are evenly matched. The winner might be whoever gets the most turns. Careful, Red. You're in the, well, red. This could be anyone's game. Time for the final roll. Okay, Red, it's your turn. And we have a winner. The consolation prize, a nice cozy cell. The winner takes it all, but this one gives back. Aw, this poor Labubu needs our help. Here, we'll treat you to a nice warm meal. Aw, our sprunky friends want to help. Simon and Wenda will help with the main course. Next, it's time we start heating things up. And what do yellow and white make? A sunny side up egg. Next, Tunner wants to help out too. Set the timer to break a clock. Now that's what I call toasty. Ah, sliced bread. Need I say more? Anyone want orange juice? Ha! I'll be here all night, folks. Not quite freshly squeezed, but just as nice. Breakfast this late? Now that's what I call fancy. Here's something to wash it all down. Ooh, aren't you a great tipper? It's time for a little LABUBU manicure. We just need a little LABUBU to go with it. Do you have time for a quick trim? Pinky? Not exactly what we're looking for. Catnap? Hey, long time no see, buddy. But we're looking for a little LABUBU. We found you. And just in time, too. You could use some cleaning up. Careful, don't get soap in his eyes. LABUBU's in the tub, so let's rub-a-dub-dub. We should really unplug those ears. Now, every LABUBU's known for its smile, so let's make sure it's looking its brightest. Besides, this toothpaste is minty fresh. And your smile looks as good as new. It's time to hit the hay. Oh, thank you. Someone's getting a mint on their pillow. Ooh, did you sublet this from the Three Little Pigs? Well, with the right money, it can be a fixer-upper. Unfortunately, the rocks might get to it first. Poor LABUBU, we'll get you out of here. We need to get you to the hospital, stat! Let's start by cleaning you up. And you don't need nails in your head. Any Frankenstein's monsters notwithstanding. Be prepared with a LABUBU first aid kit. Where else are you going to get a spare ear? Probably should clean off all that gauze. Now, we'll need to make a quick look inside. Did you swallow a rock? I don't want to know. Besides, we've already got a new heart for you. The final key! We're on our way to saving our LABUBU. It was a lot of work, but that face makes it all worth it. Wow! A LABUBU meal! Let's see that toy!
Wow!
Fries! Not a toy, but they are nice and salty. Hold on, there was a toy in here all along! Let's see just how far this LABUBU can go. Now for a trim around the ears, literally. Share the love, and by love, I mean slime. Ooh, a burger. Looks good. Take a bite. This is why I usually get the nuggets. Still, you can't beat a fun fidget spinner. It's great on a nice summer's day, too. Gotta have something to wash it down. It's got a toy too? Ooh, blocks! We can build a LABUBU from the ground up. Hooray! Now your collection's complete. So cool. Now I wonder what's for dessert. Hi. It looks like he's sharing a little bit of himself. And I guess Sky's got a heart for math. Need help? Don't worry, he also brought a calculator. Let's try it out. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 5? Ah, that's not right. Well, what else is in here? I'm gonna call these the Powerpuff pens. It's best to use pencils when doing math. Still trusting that calculator, it seems. Aqua, Simon, it's your turn. Ladies first. Feathers? Well, Aqua's got a soft touch. And she's got another sprunky book for us. Looks like a dress-up game. Pick a sprunky. Roll the die. Ooh, Aqua. Seems fitting. First, choose a nice aqua color. Now we need all the right accessories. Grab the eyes. A nice blue cut. And that groovy straw. Let's show off your new look. You're a born model. but she might get a little lonely by herself. Ooh, Simon? Now that's just cosmic. You know the bill. Pick the color and the features. And speaking of Simon, let's check out his heart. Open him up. Let's see what's inside. You know, something tells me it's something for Aqua's game. Look, he's got outfits for both of them. Let's see what Simon got. Ooh, a suit. After all, a model needs to look dapper. Now let's see what he's got for Aqua. Ooh, a white dress? A veil? Flowers? Let's bring these two closer together. Ah, you may now kiss the Sprunky. Aw, and now they've got a family.
Ew.
Ugh, I think we should change that diaper. Looks like you could use a bottle, too. Next up, it's Vineria and Ratty. Let's see what Vineria's got for us first. Oh, looks like Easter eggs. Let's try Durples first. Look, there's slime and tiny sprunkies inside. We can make Durple and Sky pop-ups. These guys sure have a spring in their step. And they all have a part in our new keyboard. Typing class has never been so fun.